tired of these wig girlies lying, so I bought one myself. My daughter did try opening it without me, and I was like, oh no, 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 no. But this ribbon was on the outside. Thankfully, she didn't get to this part. Okay. I'm trying to remember what I ordered. 13 by 6, 18 inches, 200 density. This is what it's looking like fresh out the pack. Still got the net on it. I'm excited. I'm excited already. Mine is already giving. And I see there's some curls there. The band that goes inside the wig. Is this like tape? Look like guitar picks. Okay, yeah. I think it's tape. For what? Maybe right here? Girl, I don't know. Okay, so a little label, I guess you could. Oh. Right. 200 density, 18 inch Love Me hair, body wave, 13 by 6 frontal. Put it in the bag with your wig. Got it. Okay, and it's purple. Period. Card, HD wig cap. I'm gonna need that. That felt like Christmas for real. Ooh, I'm excited because now I can take this out and put this on. So this will just be first impressions video. Netting off. Okay. Curls at the bottom. Take this off. All right, there's a little tag in here. I got a drawstring. 2 combs on the side. 1 in the back with some little grippies right there. Okay. It's already part of the side part for me. Side parts are my thing. I like this. Okay. I'm doing this all with one hand, so bear with me. But that really don't look that bad. Now we're gonna comb it out and see how much hair comes with it. Because there's already a piece right here. I already see some hanging right here that I could just pull. And mind you, I'm not even pulling that hard. Hold on. I'm gonna put it in a pile and see how much comes off. Oh no, there's a lot of hair coming out of this. For me, it's always all right if it sheds like at first and then stops. But if it keeps shedding, And since these are long pieces, I'm just gonna assume these are pieces that just weren't tied tight enough when they were making the wig, so it's just coming right out. Not like with a previous wig I had and it was breaking, like the hair was breaking into tiny little like sliver pieces of hair. But so far, besides this little shedding right here, because I'm not really getting any more pieces, so far I'm liking it. Okay. All right, so this is what it looks like now combed out. Okay, she's cute. How much came out from finger combing fresh out the box? It's not that bad in my opinion. Plus it also stopped. Like I said, this came out and then it wasn't, like no more was coming out. So I would say first impressions for this unboxing Love Me wig would be 9.5 out of 10. Minus 0.5 because of all that hair coming out. We still gotta put it on and wear it and do all that. And then we'll see.